Let's dive right into a quick and effective fat-burning finisher that you can do anywhere, no gear required. This routine is all about maximizing your effort in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's go! We're going to do a series of high-intensity exercises that target multiple muscle groups and keep your heart rate up. The key here is to push yourself and maintain good form. We'll alternate between exercises, giving you just enough time to catch your breath before diving back in. First up, we have burpees. They're a total body workout and get your heart pumping. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up if you can, then jump your feet back to your hands and explode up into a jump. Aim for 30 seconds of these. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about form. Next, we'll transition into mountain climbers. Get into that plank position again and drive your knees toward your chest, alternating legs quickly. This will really fire up your core and keep your heart rate high. Go for 30 seconds here as well. Keep your core tight and your back flat. Now let's hit the ground for some high knees. Stand tall and start running in place, bringing your knees up to waist height. Pump those arms to keep the momentum going. This is all about speed, so give it everything you've got for 30 seconds. After that, we'll switch to squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down, and explode up into a jump. Land softly and go right back into the squat. This is a great way to engage your legs and glutes while keeping your heart rate up. Again, we'll do this for 30 seconds. Finally, we'll finish strong with plank jacks. Get back into that plank position and jump your feet out wide and then back together like a jumping jack, but in a plank. This will really challenge your core and shoulders. Push through for the last 30 seconds. That's it. You've just completed a 5-minute fat-burning finisher that you can do anywhere, anytime. Remember, the key to burning fat is intensity. So, push yourself during those intervals and don't forget to cool down and hydrate afterward. You can repeat this circuit a couple of times if you're feeling up to it. Keep moving and stay committed to your fitness journey.